Hey there, it's Ken with DYC Studios, and I think today I am going to blow your mind. Currently, I am in Photoshop beta, and we're going to be playing around with generative AI. Photoshop has released Firefly, and it can do some crazy, wild things that maybe some of you aren't even aware of. Now, we have this pretty girl right here. She's in a yoga studio or maybe like a fitness studio. You know, her friends are working out. But you know what? What if she was going out for the evening? You know, what if she's done with yoga? What can we make her look pretty like she's ready to go out for the evening? Let's see what we can do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to crop this image. We're just going to make it to where it's just like, you know, like a portrait kind of style thing right there. So we have this right here. We have her smiling. We're just going to hit this and boom. All right. Now what I want to do now is make the canvas size. Whoops. Let's just duplicate this real quick. Perfect. Okay. Just turn this off. We're going to make the canvas size a little bit bigger. So we're going to go to inches. We're going to go to, let's say, 24. All right. Got our nice lady right there. Very nice, very cool. She looks pretty. We're just going to shift this upward a little bit. All right. And I am just going to select this right here and type in wearing a black dress. All right. Just going to hit generate, see what happens. It will, you know, again, we're not even going to really type in these detailed prompts. We're just, you know, kind of having fun here, just having a little bit of fun. All right. Let's see. Takes a couple seconds. It's thinking. Ooh, look at that. That is stunning. She's got a nice little, you know, shoulderless black dress on. She's ready to go out. Let's see. There should be some variations right here. Let's see. We have this one. Ooh, that's kind of elegant. That's kind of nice. I mean, yeah, the hands are a little wonky, but yes, AI does some strange things and so forth. I like that dress minus the hand. And there's a good video by Vox. If you guys check out Vox, I've shared it before, that explains why AI doesn't do so good with hands. But let's stick with this one. Okay. All right. So we have this nice picture right here. All right. But where is she? Where's she going? What's she doing? You know, let's see if we can give it a bigger background. So I'm just going to go to image. We're going to go to canvas size. All right. We are going to go to inches. Again, I'm going to go to, let's say, 16. All right. Something like that. And then I am going to just select this and hit generative fill. Just generate. I'm not even going to type in a prompt. This is how good this is. And it's going to rebuild the background. It's going to give me variations as well too. Or at least I hope it does. We'll see. All right. Cool. Let's see what the variations look like. You know, it just looks like she's in a house or something. Something's in the back kind of blurred out. You know, nice little shelf on the wall. That one I kind of don't like because it's black, but, you know, it is what it is. Let's just do another thing and see what happens. But I have a feeling I'm going to go with the one with the little shelf on the wall because that's kind of nice. All right. Ooh, that's interesting, bizarre. I don't know what that machine is. But hey, you know what? Adobe's having fun. It's playing around with it. Oh, the black dress has continued. So I think I'm going to go with this one right here. Nope, this one. All right, cool. So we got that, right? Now let's see what we can do to the side. What will it do? And I'm sure it's going to do some wonky things right there, but, you know, we're just going to try it out and see what it does. All right. Again, I'm not even typing a prompt in. It's going to do this by itself. It's kind of wild what Adobe can do now with these. And I'm just waiting for AI to get better with hands. Ooh, that's kind of nifty. All right, let's check this out. So let's see the variations. We have this one. It looks like she's standing maybe like in a store with dresses on the rack. I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. It looks kind of unique, but this one's kind of okay. But we'll do one more. try it out, see what happens. I think I'm going to stick with... Oh, that's kind of interesting. Let's try maybe... See what it says. Cream color wall. We'll give it a little bit of a prompt and just see. Just out of curiosity, you know, they say curiosity killed the cat. Oh, no, that looks bad. All right. That's kind of neat. Looks like maybe she's standing in front of a fireplace. I like that. All right, so what I'm going to do is just go over here, and I'm just going to merge my layers down, flatten, and boom. Okay, so we got another girl who's been doing yoga or working out. You know, she's been at the gym. She's ready to hang out with her friends and do something fun. We're just going to crop this down a little bit and see. I'm going to unlock this, and we're going to duplicate the background first, and then we'll crop everything down. Okay? All right, easy peasy. Let's just drag this up right here. And this time I'm going to give a little bit more of this, just to kind of show. And I like the background a little bit, so we're just going to kind of keep that a little bit, and then I'm just going to hit enter. So we got this nice thing right here, you know, pretty girl. We have some more to work with, you know, maybe the AI can kind of figure things out a little bit better, but we're going to turn this one off. We're going to just go up here to canvas size, going to go to inches, and I'm just going to put in maybe 20 inches. All right. Just going to zoom out real quick. And we are going to just drag her up here. Now, whether this works or not, I don't know, but we are playing around. And we're just going to type in woman wearing dress. Casual fun dress. Why not? See what happens, okay? All right, I have no idea. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Let's just see. It's thinking. Ooh, that looks nice. You know, again, if it wasn't, you know, for the hands, we might not even know that that's AI. But let's just check out the variations. Ooh, I like that with a nice little, like, you know, goes from black into a pattern. That's kind of cool. Ooh, she's got a skirt on. Looks like she's got like some kind of little purse right there or something. But I do like that one. I do like this one too. It's kind of cute how they kind of combine. I mean, okay, the body's kind of off on that one, but this one's probably a little bit better. All right, because this one you can see, you know, it just, you know, but it tried. All right, we could try one more. Let's just do generate. We'll try two more just to see what happens. You know, I think playing around with it is always good and fun. It's a really fun new tool. All right, okay. She's got looks like a kind of a plain dress on. I mean, that's kind of nice too. I like that. All right, we'll do one more just to see. But I have my favorite already. But that one's not so bad. Let's see. All right, I'm just going to drag this down here. Okay, we got a few ideas right here. So the original one that we kind of liked was this one right there. We also have this one. Ooh, she's trying to lean against a windowsill. That's kind of neat, but the hand got a little bulky there. But, you know, it was trying. All right. All right, that's not as flattering. That's the one right there. The hands are a little boogered up. Looks like she's got her hand in a pocket. I don't know why they put the hands in the pocket, but I think this is my favorite by far. Okay, all right. Now I want to just kind of like maybe, let's extend this. Let's do image canvas size. Let's see what happens if we make this wider. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in inches, and I'm gonna go into width, and I'm gonna go in, let's say, I don't know, 28, sure. Okay, all right, that gives us a little room to play with. And I'm just gonna select this and just see what Photoshop and Firefly does, okay? I'm just gonna hit generate. I'm not gonna put any kind of prompt in. I'm just gonna play, let it have fun, you know, and see what happens, okay? Ooh, that looks kind of nice. Okay, we're just gonna select this area right here. I'm gonna give it a little bit more of a bigger selection right there. Something like that. And I'm just gonna hit generative fill and see what happens. Ooh, that looks nice. And here are the options it gave. This one and this one. I kind of like that. That kind of looks nice. So what I'll do is, yeah, we have this nice image right there of our nice young lady that was originally in a yoga or fitness studio. Okay, so we have another lady wearing a yoga outfit, but how great would it be if she's wearing a pink dress? We are going to try it out because we've done the other ones. That's pretty easy. We're going to crop this a little bit. So I'm just going to crop it down just like what we did in the other ones. And I'm just going to give it a little bit more room to think. All right. So I'm just going to kind of give the AI a little bit more of something to kind of play with. Okay. Something like that, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so we have our nice young girl right there. Let's give a little bit bigger canvas area. Let's turn this to inches, and I'm just going to type this up to maybe, let's say, 14. All right, perfect, cool, nice. Just going to drag this up here, and I'm going to select this part right here. All right, woman is wearing a cute pink dress. We'll try this a couple times just to see what happens. I'm very curious to see what it will produce. We might even play with her hair a little bit. I don't know. Ooh, I almost really dig that on the first try. So she's wearing a tutu. She's got her arms kind of crossed right there. And the fingers aren't too bad. They're not 100% perfect. Let's see what the other ones. All right, so there we got her, like, kind of looks like she's sitting or leaning against like a giant beanbag or something. That looks kind of weird. Oh, look at the hands, kind of funny. So the first one is okay. Let's try and do it one more time. Let's see what happens. It's interesting that it's putting her in a tutu. But maybe because we said cute. Maybe because we said the word cute. Ooh, that one's weird. All right, there she's kind of like, you know, displaying her dress, except it looks like she's got some stains on it, you know. All right, some kind of weird Cinderella thing. Okay, so we have our woman wearing the pink tutu, and it looks fairly nice. I think, you know, there's a couple little errors on this, and you could go and adjust it in Photoshop. But overall, the AI did a fairly good job of rebuilding a picture without having any idea of what it was going to do. And also, you know, not giving it too much prompts. So it was really able to generate something that's kind of pretty, something nice. And if I didn't see this like right off the bat, if you showed it to me in just like a split second, I wouldn't think anything of it. I wouldn't notice any of the little issues. But overall, I think it did a really good job. I think it did a really great job. So as you can see, you can have a lot of fun with Photoshop beta and how Adobe Firefly has kind of implemented generative graphics within the application itself. So try this out on your own and see if you can do something similar. It's a lot of fun.